Here we have a SAT math problem. Okay, let's go to the question. The mass of object X is 300% of the mass of object Y, and the mass of object X is 0.05% of the mass of object Z. If the mass of object Z is Q% of the mass of object Y, what is the value of Q over 1000? Okay, now let me consider the information over here. This information can be written as an equation. Here we have X is, that means X equals to 300% of Y. Let me write it over here, 300% of Y. Now we can write this information as an equation. We have X is, that means X equals to 0.05% of Z. Let me write over here of Z. Now let's consider the information we have over here. That is Z is equal to Q% of Y. Let me write it. Now we can use Desmos to find the value of Q over 1000. For that we have to give these three equations as input in Desmos. Let's consider the quantities we have on the left side of all the three equations, X, X and Z. Now let's give these three quantities as input in Desmos. Let me take the square bracket. Okay, so the quantity on the left side of the first equation is capital X. The second one also we have the same capital X. In the third one we have capital Z. Close the square bracket. Now we have to take the tilde sign. Again, open the square bracket. Now we have to take the quantities we have on the right side of all the three equations. The first equation, the quantity on the right side is 300% of capital Y. And the quantity on the right side of the second equation is 0.05% of Z. The quantity we have on the right side of the third equation is Q% of capital Y. Let's close the square bracket. Okay, here I got the value of Q, that is 600,000. And our aim is to find the value of Q over 1000. Okay, let me type it over here. Q over 1000. Okay, I got the value of Q over 1000, that is 600.